Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. This kid growing up at the beach in Southern California never saw a deer before. There was one in our backyard the other day. Boy, moving to Nashville brings all sorts of surprises. And of course, Waffle House is another great one of them. But okay, moving on to the update. Here we go. Well, it's an exciting time. We've got InfoComm next week. Be sure to come by and say hi to us there. And we're going to be showing this thing called Radar, which I'm going to show you right now.
It all starts with this new notifications area. For all these incremental events, you can now choose to be notified via radar, email, or both. You'll find radar in the main navigation. Notice the orange circle indicating there are 2 items you haven't yet seen. Click into radar and you'll see everything going on. The top section is the news section. Those are items you haven't yet seen. These can be tasks, these can be emails, these can be notes from your team, these can be client communications from portal. What you see here is controlled by what you set up in the notifications area. Once you've read an item, you click it and it drops down into the timeline below. You can also reply to items right here. Below the new area is the timeline. This is a scrolling list of everything going on in your company from today, yesterday, and so on. You can filter the list on the left to show only emails or only notifications and so forth. Here's an email right here. You can open it up and read it. You can reply to it. Here's a service case that was closed last night and signed off by the customer.
Outside of Radar, we've launched so many other things. We've launched global purchasing, where you can purchase items across all your projects. Pods for stock. So whereas you could move one item before, and if you're going to move 30 items, you've got to scan all 30 items to move those 30 items to a truck or to a location. Now you can put them into a pod, a virtual pallet as it were, and now you can move that pod around. A long requested feature since we launched stock, and that is live for you to use today. Come by and see us at InfoComm. We'll show you everything we launched the last few months and beyond. I guess until next time, this is Paul Dexter signing off.